one market we're looking at right now is the market that we actually got filled last night. This is the market that the Forex currency pair that I was pointing out to you a couple days ago, the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Right, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, as I was saying, on Monday, I pointed this out to you that we were patiently waiting for the market to pull down off this high, which it has. And if you recall, we drew two sets of Fibonacci retracements, one from this low to the high, right? That gives you, look at that, 38.50 and the 61 of that swing up. And then we measured from this low to high, right? And that put, look at that, the 50% retracements right on the 38, which gives you confluence right here. That was our first buy entry that we got filled last night. The second buy entry was, look at that, look at the 61.8 of the smaller move up corresponds with the 50% of the bigger swing up right there. This was the second confluence number. Did not get filled here, which also happened to be sitting right at, look at this, folks, right at the 50 exponential moving average too. But we missed this trade. But as the market opened up last night and traded lower, had my buy limit in right there, and that price was 103, so I'm long at 103.75. Okay, I was prepared to be buying it again. I had another entry at 103.11 here, but did not get filled. The market has rallied substantially since then. Now, honestly, I did not have my profit objective in because I wasn't long yet, although it would have hit it because my first profit objective is 104. So this is the buy entry. Buy at 103.75. That's it. First profit objective, P1, profit objective number 1, 1.0462. It actually hit that and went higher, but again, I'm not filled. Right now, 104.33. I have now moved my stop up to break even. This is a break even trade now. Looking for the market to rally up about 30 pips. We're at 104.31, 30 right now. So the stop, so I'm not going to be looking to enter again long. Instead, I'm at break even right now, right where I entered, but my profit objective, let's look at that, is 104.62, which is right 104.62 is right here, right there. So I'll leave this on. It actually, like I said, look at it, opened up, traded down significantly last night, and then rallied all the way back up. So far, that is a good trade. Now, the one trade that we're getting hurt on right now is the, I forgot to put that in here. My computer crashed last night, too. So SDS. Remember, we went long. This is the inverse S&P 500, right? 2 times, right? Went long this market at 38.95 right here. Buy at 38.95, right? The initial stop loss, ISL, is a close below 37.45. It's got to close below that. Now, look at, we're at 37.69 right now. So we're getting close to that. I was wrong so far, completely wrong on my call that I thought, you know, the market would probably move down from where it was trading. Let's look at the ES.D. Let's look at the futures. Excuse me. Again, we shorted the market right up in here. So basically, buying the SDS is betting on the fact that the market's going to drop down. So the market's just been doing nothing but rallying. So we got to stop in. No big deal. It's part of the game. Let's take a look at a couple others here. Gold. Gold was on my watch list, and that's up about $3 or $4 since I called that. Unfortunately, I did not get any type of price pattern. Since I did not get a price pattern, what I did do, though, a couple days ago, I sold puts. I sold the GLD puts at 118. So I'm making money on that, but not nearly as much as if I had been net long, actually directionally net long. So I sold the puts that actually expire this Friday. So I'm collecting premium on that. I'm making money on that. Again, I would have been making more if I was just outright directionally long on this ETF, gold, right? So I sold puts at 118 to expire this Friday. I'm making money on that. I just wish I was long, net long instead of just selling the puts, but at least I'm making something on it, right? Let's take a look at the British pound, US dollar. Remember what I said on Monday? I was looking for a buy, right? Look at the retest of this low. It retested it beautifully, created an outside vertical bar, which actually closed lower. I should have automatically had a buy stop above the high of the bullish outside vertical bar, but I did not do that. If it had closed in the top quarter, I would have been buying it on the next bar automatically with the stop below this low. But it didn't. It closed lower, and I didn't have a buy stop above the high. I should have. It's typically a great trade. As you can see, if I had a buy stop above the high of that bearish engulfing pattern, look at the move once it took out the high of that bearish engulfing pattern. The market made over 150 pip move to the upside, but missed that. But nonetheless, the market has done exactly what I had outlined for it to do on Monday on that retest of this low. It's bounced considerably. So that's all I believe. Apple, again, I've been having this on my watch list. I was waiting for some type of pattern in here. Did not get it. We're slowly moving higher, so we'll see what happens. Let's see, and that's about it. So again, we're long. I'm long the Canadian dollar. I trade at 104.21. We'll see, but I'm at break even now. Again, it did hit my 87 pip profit objective, my first profit objective. But again, I did not have a sell market if touched or a sell limit in. I just had my buy limit to get me long last night. Actually, my initial stop loss on that was right down in here. My initial stop loss, when I put that, excuse me, when I put that buy limit in at 103.75, I had a sell stop in at 102.88, 102.88, which would have been sitting right here. So I've taken that out and I've moved it up to break even. So there you have it. If any questions, let me know. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.